Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. And in today's video, I'll be talking about LED masks. What are these futuristic looking things? Like, what do they do and all that? So I'm here to tell you all about it. And the one I'll be talking about today is from Artemis. It's an amazing face mask. And this is made in Korea. And when we think of Korea, we think of, glass skin. Like there's something about Koreans, like they are, when it comes to skincare, I give it to them because they are super amazing. So first of all, LED stands for light emitting diode. Basically, it's light therapy. So light therapy has clinically been proven to help reduce inflammation, help tighten the skin, tone the skin, and also help with collagen production. And we know that collagen has everything to do with skin tightness. That's why it's going to help with wrinkle reduction. So the red light is very suitable for inflammation. If you have inflamed skin, say your skin barrier is impaired, and even like acne skin that is quite inflamed, using red light therapy is amazing because it will help calm things down. And then also the green light is for spot, like all those dark spots, pigmentation, and then the blue light, which is anti-acne. So this one right here is from Artemis. It feels very sturdy, and it has this, this attachment to it. So this is where, the strap, where you put it on, doesn't feel or look cheap at all. So this is how you put it on. This is where you turn it on from. And then these are the lights. Then right here, you have where you plug it. So basically you charge it. When it's fully charged, you can use it. And the good thing with this is that you can use this from the comfort of your home while watching TV, while chilling, while lounging. You can even pop it on your face and go for a walk if you want to. So you can use it wherever you choose to. And let's not forget that it has the neck one, because I realize that a lot of people, to be honest, I'm guilty as well, or I used to be guilty. We tend to forget our neck. We just focus on the face, forgetting our neck. And our neck is the skin on the neck is very delicate, and it needs tender loving care that will give the face as well. So we need to, pamper our neck. So if you have been doing your skincare routine and just on your face and forgetting the neck, from today, after watching this video, make sure you focus on your neck as well. So that's why we have the neck bit. So, and it comes with this band. So you just put it on. It's just like a choker. So you put this one on your neck and put this on your face, and you're good to go, and easy breezy. That's where you switch it on from the button, and you can see the lights as well. You can customize the settings from your phone, basically from the app. So you can say you have some parts of your face where you have wrinkles, and then the other parts, maybe your skin is a bit inflamed. So do you understand? You can tweak it, you can customize it basically. So it's not that okay, everything has to be red. So some parts of the light can be, blue, anti-acne. For some reason, you've broken out and think you have acne. And then the other region, say your mouth area, the eye area, the crow's feet, you, for some reason, have wrinkles or even your forehead. So you just tweak it like that. Do you understand? You customize it to your choice. So when you get to the app, you have the face and the neck option. So you can choose the face, then you go to care mode. When you select care mode, so you have options such as normal, auto, and recommended. So recommend is where it would assess your region that they to recommend the suitable treatment for you. Say you are clueless, or you can choose auto. Where you have auto, you have the various options, and then you have the normal, where you have the red. Remember that I said that red is if you have inflammation. Red helps with inflammation, it's anti-inflammatory, whilst green helps with spots and pigmentation issues. Blue is anti-acne, and so on and so forth. You can set the timing. You have the care mode, you have care count, then you have the time as well. So you set whatever time you want, and the intensity as well. Then you can even take pictures if you choose to. You go to the camera, take pictures, your before and after. So, and it's something that if you use consistently, you will certainly see results. How you use this is the way you would use your, let's say, your sheet mask, do you understand, or your clay mask, do you understand? So what I mean is that what you want to do first before you use your LED mask is you want to cleanse your face, and then blot it, then you use your mask. It's best to use it without any product on the skin. Don't even try to use it when you have makeup on. Make sure you use it on clean face, So after using your, light therapy, then you can proceed to applying your serums, your hyaluronic acid, you can see whatever serum, whatever products you want to apply. Then you carry on with your, regular skincare routine. Basically, that's how you want to use it to get the most out of it. Do not use it, do not apply the products first because you want the light to penetrate in. You don't want any dirt or any product to be in the way. So that's how you use it. Do not forget. So if you're looking to raise the bar on your skincare routine, absolutely get your LED mask and thank me later. If you have any questions relating to, the light therapy LED mask, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.